folks. This is, I always say this, I'm probably gonna, you probably tell me I'm lying. I got like a weird little dimple here. Is that weird? Huh, weird. Like, what is that? Anyway, yeah. I'll probably do a weekly what's new. What's new? Not really, nothing. Honestly, like literally, there's nothing new. I did a little bit of work on my sandblasting machine. The shop is supposed to be moving 3 months ago, but that's still waiting for stuff to get out of the way. No, I'm getting back in here because I'm just doing some work trying to get that thing done so I can bead blast some parts. And I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. Did a couple of small videos. I got a couple of more videos coming out. My videos kind of slowed down to probably putting a video out every Friday, Saturday, maybe Sunday. I got the Monday what's new, which is pretty boring to most people. Just want to know what's going on. And Tuesdays I got tool videos when I have tools, and if I run, I'll review some old tools just for fun of it. But nothing. I've been busy working at my job. I own a store importing stuff. If you watch the channel, you probably already know that. Shop wise, I'm waiting for the 3-wheeler bike frame to come back from paint. It was sandblasted and painted. And once that comes back, I'm going to leave it wrapped up in whatever they give it to me in. And I'm probably going to work on the butt end of it so I can at least get the wheels back on, the rims, tires. Try to get the front of the frame back together, which should be interesting. I did some more bearings for the front and some other things. So I'm going to try to get it turned into a roller and then start slowly cleaning part by part. I'm not making it into a Cadillac. I'm not going to SEMA with this thing. It's just getting cleaned up, and the engine was supposed to be running. I would like to clean the engine up. Don't have a clue how the hell I was supposed to clean the engine up, but so the 86 is going to get sent out for sandblasting and whatever next. I would have sent out the back rack, but I honestly want to sand it and probably tack weld some little dents and just fill them over with. I'm just going to weld in dents and then grind it down, because there's a couple little spots. Like I said, I don't want to make it perfect, but I already have it bare metal, I might as well, because you can't hammer out dents in round pipe and get it back, and I can't pull it out. So I figured I'll just give it tack welds, and just paint it over, try to get it look decent. There's not too many dents in this rack. That back rack, I don't think there is any dents in it really. There's a couple of bolts that are stuck that I'm gonna have to heat up to get out, like 2 or 3. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. I might send the back rack to go and the other rack just to be painted, maybe. Leave it there and have them paint it. That I'm not doing right now, or I'm gonna, what do you call it? Sandblast it all, fix all the imperfections, go over with sandpaper and clean it up, then send it out to be painted. Because at least I'll have the rear rack, the whole rear rack, and the front rack cleaned up, the back rack. Because there's only, there's the frame, the rear swing arm, what else? The front rack and the back rack that's black and needs to be painted. The rest is just aluminum and all kinds of other weird plastic things. Oh, and the front headlight thing, which is easy peasy. I could probably do that myself. That doesn't have any dents in it, I don't think. So yeah, that's it really. There's a bike that's being slowly put back together. Winter's here, so it's like -4 outside, and it's probably -1 in here, or 0. So I gotta take all my batteries out of here for winter, because I don't want my lithium batteries freezing and exploding on me or catching fire. That's why I bought one of those fire boxes. I don't know. The thing is I bought a box that's supposed to be fireproof, but is it just a double-lined metal box? Because if a lithium battery catches on fire, pretty sure a lithium battery will burn a hole right through that box. That's what I think. So I'm thinking of putting it in the new shop, and I don't know. There's a hole on the side, and maybe it's filled with sand or something. I don't know. It's pretty heavy. I might take the box apart because it apparently unscrews and see what's in it. Worst case scenario, because I'm using it to make a charging station for my lithium batteries, and just so I can leave batteries in my garage. Maybe put a little heat mat, keep it warm. And what I'm gonna do is line it with fire bricks, because at least if it burns in there on a fire brick, it's not gonna go right. If it burns a hole, it's gonna burn a hole right through the middle. And I know lithium burns at a pretty high heat, and it's ugly and nasty. So other than that, I just made a short nothing's new video into a 5-minute video, and probably bored the hell out of you. So without further ado, if you're bored, like weird things like me cutting open light bulbs and smashing stuff, stay tuned. I still am making videos. I'm not making any more like 6 million videos. I'm just making them weekends whenever I got time, and I will guarantee at least 2 or 3 videos a week or more if I make more videos. And as soon as I find my microphone, I'll have better quality audio. Again, because I lost it somewhere. Thanks for watching. Go watch some of my videos. I've almost got enough watch time to get slightly monetized, because there's 2 levels of monetization now. One's got 4,000 hours, one's got 3,000 hours. I don't know what the hell the difference between a 3,000 and a 4,000 is, but if you watch more videos and tell your friends and family, I might be able to get monetized and afford to buy a pizza. That's my goal. My goal is to be monetized and order pizza. And if I make any money, I'll gladly tell you how much I make, because I'm pretty sure I'll make like, what, this rate, 25 cents a month. Thanks for watching. Click some buttons and toodles.